when the staff is rolling away from us, we can do this hand pass to flip the direction and send it rolling back without stopping the staff from rolling. This is super useful from something like a Superman, where the staff is rolling to your fingers. You can then flip the staff and send it right back again. First, bend your arms at the elbow with your palms up high. What we'll do is we'll drop one hand, bring it up, bring hands together, drop the next hand, catch. So it's this drop, pass, drop, catch. Drop, pass, drop, catch. Drop, pass, or clap, drop, catch. So we're doing this action here, except we're dropping a hand, passing, drop, catch. Now with the staff. Hold the staff in your hands. It is not rolling, just sitting here static. We will drop one hand out the way, pass by clapping our hands together, bring this hand underneath and catch. So we can drop our hand out the way, the staff falls, clap your hands together to pass, drop, catch. So we want you to get this action here. You can bring your hand behind if you like, so you're not dropping the staff, but just bringing it backwards by moving your elbow and shoulder to get your hand out the way. Now from above, rest the staff in your elbows, have your hands out, palms up. Drop your arms to the ground and the staff will slowly roll towards your hands. The more you drop them, the faster the staff will roll. As the staff gets to your hands, we can bring our hand out the way, clap together, and catch again, and the staff will roll back towards our body. Drop your arms again. We can go the opposite side. Drop one hand out, catch, pass. So we can either move our hand backwards towards our body, pass, slide it out, or we can drop it out, pass, drop, catch. You'll notice that the staff does a 180-degree spin, and this changes the rolling direction. So this is a nice way to maintain the rolling direction of the staff while flipping its movement direction. So instead of rolling away from us, we flip it, change the rolling direction, now it's rolling towards us again. This trick is super useful from something like a Superman, where the staff is doing a static roll towards your hands and you think, oh no, what do I do? You can do your hand pass and send the staff right back to where it came from. Some variations on this is if the staff is rolling towards your hands, instead of dropping one hand away and doing the pass, you can lift the opposite hand up. So instead of dropping my left arm, the orange side away, I'm going to lift the purple side, my right arm up. So that lifts up to do the pass and catch. I'll do that again, lifts up and pass and catch. That's different to dropping one hand away and letting the staff pendulum across. Another variation we can do is to give the staff a bit of a throw. So instead of raising the hand up and over to do the pass, we can give it a bit more oomph and do a throw and a catch just there. So roll, throw, catch. Exactly the same motion, just like this with the hand pass, except we're giving a little bit more force and we're not touching our hands together when we do the pass. We're keeping them apart just a little bit so we can get a nice little DragonStaff throw, catch. And back the other way, throw. Hope you enjoy this tutorial.